Welcome back to today's video. In today's video we are going to be making oat cupcake or oat cake, and these are the ingredients we are going to be using. I have my coconut milk, but I freezed it, that's why it's like that, but since I'm using it for baking it doesn't matter. So I'm measuring out my rolled oats like this. The rolled oats is stronger than the regular quick oats, so we are using the rolled oats. I measured out 3 cups of old fashioned rolled oats. So after blending it up to make my flour, I now mashed my bananas, very ripe bananas, to serve as the sweetener for this recipe. It's already tasty enough. I don't think there's any need of adding any extra sweetener. Just try out this recipe as it is, and if you want to add extra sweetener then you can add, but I think this is perfect. The next thing is to quickly crack your eggs into your banana mixture and then whisk. Use your hand whisk or use the electric mixer and just mix it to combine thoroughly. Then it's time to add in the coconut milk. I added 1 cup and just a little bit extra, not up to half cup. So the oil in the coconut milk also serve as the oil you are using for this recipe. And this is half teaspoon of baking powder and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box and also in the comment section as usual. So it's time for us to add in our flour, the oat flour that we just blended. Add them 1 cup at a time and mix to be well incorporated with all the other ingredients. So this is a very good recipe that you can give your kids to school. It's healthy, it's ideal for the entire family. Anyone in the family can have this as snack, and it's also filling too. So I just added a pinch of salt to balance up the taste and flavor, and these are raisins I just decided to add into it just for extra sweetness, since this is going to be for kids basically. So their snack for the week is sorted. So if you have any suggestion on any snack I should make for next week, you can leave your suggestions in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video, this idea of making snacks for the kids, ideal kids school snacks every week. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Then it's time to bake in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes. The remaining one, I greased this pan and I'm going to bake this on the gas stove in a pot. So I'm not using oven for this second part. So even though you don't have an oven, you can also bake delicious oat cake for your family and for your kids. So as usual, this is what I did, and then I placed my batter into it and covered it and let it bake. Then this is what we have. One is already missing as usual. So this is what we have, very delicious, and I had to give this a taste like off camera to be able to have the confidence to tell you how it really tastes. Yes, so that one was already missing. This is what we have, very delicious, and it's a great snack idea for the kids. So just this stays well in the fridge, so just put them in the fridge every day. Just take out one and put in their lunch box and they take to school. So this is the one I baked in the pot. This is well baked. So you can just section this into your preferred sizes and enjoy with your family and friends. See what happens to this. Someone has infringed on my oat cake. Anyway, so I just have to section it into preferred sizes, and this is what we have. Very delicious, and it's very simple to make, actually very very straightforward to make. This is what we have. So you can just blend your oat flour ahead of time, and then you bake your cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is the outcome of our oat cakes. It's easier to unwrap when it's chilled.